It was our school picnic. Me and my friend brought pizzas to share. Both pizzas were of the same size. I ate 7/16 of a pizza, and my friend ate 7/10 of a pizza. Now think carefully, who ate more? Pause the video and try to find the answer. Let's find out the answer. Since both pizzas are of the same size, we can compare them easily. My pizza was divided into 16 equal parts, and I ate 7 pieces, that is 7/16. My friend's pizza was divided into 10 equal parts, and he also ate 7 pieces, that is 7/10. Now think, 1/10 is bigger than 1/16 because the pizza is divided into fewer parts. So, 7/10 is greater than 7/16. That means, my friend ate more pizza. Let's try one more. Get ready, let's eat cake. And solve another fun fraction question. Both cakes are of the same size. I ate 11/10 of a cake, and my friend ate 12/13 of a cake. Now think carefully, who ate more? Pause the video and try. "11 by 10 means 11 pieces, each of size 1/10. 10 by 10 means 10 pieces of 1/10, which makes one whole cake. So, 11 by 10 is equal to one whole cake plus one extra piece. "12 by 13 is less than one whole cake. 11 by 10 is greater than 12 by 13. So, I ate more." Let's move to another question. Let's try this question. Both cakes are of the same size. I ate 17 by 14 of a cake, and my friend ate 14 by 17 of a cake. Now think carefully, who ate more? Pause the video and try. "17 by 14 means one whole cake and 3 extra pieces of 1/14 each. 14 by 14 makes one whole cake. So, 17 by 14 is equal to one whole cake and 3 extra pieces of 1 by 14. That is, 1, 3 by 14. Pause the video and understand. "14 by 17 is less than one whole pizza. 17 by 14 is greater than 14 by 17. So, that means, I ate more." Pause the video and review it step by step. I hope you have understood the concept. Now try this question yourself. Comment if you have solved it. For more clarity on fractions, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and keep learning.